Hi friends, here is Jessica from Alicante Real Estate. It's a pleasure to see you again on our videos, and for me it's a much more pleasure to present you today this amazing villa behind me. It's a detached villa just in between golf course, mountains, and you have the beach only 2 kilometers away. It's a lovely sandy beach. We're a little bit south from Torrevieja in Alicante. So approximately we have 45 minutes to the Alicante airport, and you have also a small airport in San Javier where you have very good connection by flights to the UK. So as I said already, is a lovely green area. This villa behind me, I'm gonna show you from inside because it's just beautiful and amazing, and the price starts from 780,000 euros. Let's go. So now I'm right here on the entrance from this beautiful villa. As you see, I'm standing just on the front door where I can have a beautiful sea view over there. I have mountain view to that side, which goes more inland to Orihuela. And on the back, on the pool side, you have straight the golf course. So all what your heart needs to view and to relax and to have a lovely evening. Okay, if you just come with me inside, we're gonna view it now. So, okay, let's go inside like I promised. And we come straight into this lightning, beautiful, spacious living, dining and open kitchen area. A highlight in this villa for me is when you follow me and we look like we would go through a wardrobe, you come into your washing area and technical room just over there. It's hidden behind the wardrobes from the kitchen. So also, if you follow me, downstairs you have an amazing master bedroom facing to the pool and garden area. Also, you have a little toilet just for visitors when you're outside in the pool having your barbecues. They don't need to go in your private bathroom. They have a separate one here. Like I told you in the beginning, we are talking about a new build villa. This is gonna be built in future, 5 more of them. This have 10 years guarantee from the builder, and you are able to still make any changes, or every single change you need to do is possible now because they're going to start the building in about 2 months' time. So here is another master bedroom. As you see behind me, the pool area, and just up over the wall there, you have the lovely golf course. So it's quiet, it's nice, you can relax, you have no traffic noise, you have no noise at all. It's just enjoy the green, one side the beach, one side the golf course. And if you follow me now, because we haven't finished, upstairs, we just go on with more beautiful rooms and design from the first class. So we're already in the second floor. Like you know, I always like to save a little surprise for my clients. They're viewing my videos, and it's this one. Look, the amazing big terrace you have on the top floor. If you follow me, we're gonna see over the golf course of Romero Golf. And as you see, is a lot of space. You have water point, you have electricity point, you can make an outdoor kitchen up here if you wish. And just stay with me 1 minute and look the views. As I look across there, you will see the sea just over the pine trees over there. That's the sea already, where you are in about 10 minutes driving distance with the car. Okay, we come back inside where we have another 2 big bedrooms, okay? We have 3 bedrooms in total, but all 3 bedrooms are double bedrooms. So that means you have wardrobes in every bedroom for a lot of storage, double bed, and here is the next little highlight. From every bedroom on the top, you can go out to a small balcony where you can sit in the evenings and just see the sea view you have from up here. Then I like also, because it's single bathrooms, okay? That means the bedroom, and then you come outside and you go into a bathroom. What you still can change to make it like a suite. That means you go directly from the bedroom into the bathroom, but that on a plan we can change however you prefer. Now we come to the main bedroom, where you walk through a dresser, and then you come into this open space facing to the poolside and also to the seaside. So you have both views from this bedroom. As you see, the size is very big. It's not a small bedroom as usual for Spain. And this one, yes, again, you come out to the balcony if you wish. And also you have your individual bathroom with shower plate in this bedroom. So now we're on the end of our video. Of course, if you are interested, please just contact me on the number underneath. I'll be open for every single question you have, everything you need. As I said, it's a new build. We are waiting for 5 more because all the others are sold already. So as far as we have the 5 more, you can individually do your interior, whatever. And like I said, the price starts from 780,000 euros. And from there on, you can go on the top, depending on the plot you choose or whatever, okay? So if you're interested, like I said, just contact me and it'd be a pleasure to give you all the information you need. See you soon on our next video. Bye.